Hi, I'm Peter with BibleMoneyMatters.com, and today we're going to unbox and take a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S9 from Gen Mobile, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to take a look at this Samsung Galaxy S9 from Gen Mobile. Gen Mobile's a service that we're in the middle of reviewing right now, and they were kind enough to send out a Galaxy S9 for us to take a look at. So why don't we open the box up and take a look. Slide that out of the sleeve. Let's open it up. See what we have. Got the phone all wrapped up nice in bubble wrap here. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so what we have here is a nice pre-owned Samsung Galaxy S9. Very nice looking phone. It looks brand new to me. This is the, got my fingerprints all over it there. This is the black version, has the camera right here, fingerprint reader, and got your flash and other stuff right there. That's kind of hard to see. Let's get closer. So there it is. Again, this is the Samsung Galaxy S9. Very nice phone. Let's see what else we got in the box here. Okay, the only other thing we got in there is the charger for the phone, Type-C USB charging cord. So there is the phone. And let's start it up and see what we got. So there it is, all ready, set to go. Okay, so we've got the S9 all booted up and logged in. Everything's ready to go. We've installed a couple of system updates and everything's running super smooth, smooth like butter. But why don't we go real quick into the Gen Mobile Care app and take a look at that so you can see what you can do on the phone with the Gen Mobile app. So first of all, you have several different things you can do in here. You have your account summary, payment, you can change your plan, you can do add-ons to your account. Didn't mean to click on that quite yet. You can add on 500 megabytes of data, 500 minutes, or international credits, all for $5. Let's go back here. You can view your call history, get support, and shop the Gen Mobile store. So why don't we jump into the details here for the account summary. The account summary here is going to give you a look at what your current plan is. On the $15 a month plan with 1 gigabyte of data and unlimited text and calling. It's going to tell you when your next due date is. You're going to be paying on that due date. And you can set up auto pay as well if you want to. You can make a payment right through here, or you can add add-ons on here as well. And finally, if you want to, you can go in and change your plan. Here are the options for different plans. You have your $5 a month plan, which is just unlimited text, no calling or data. $10 a month will get you either unlimited minutes and text with no data, or 300 minutes and unlimited text with 1 gigabyte of data. Here's the plan I'm currently on, unlimited minutes and text with 1 gigabyte of data. And there's a $20 a month and $25 a month plan as well. One with 2 gigabytes of data and 3 gigabytes of data. Let's get out of here. I typically don't need any more than 1 gigabyte of data. If I need to, I can add on some extra data, but don't usually use that. So that is the Gen Mobile app. Not a lot of stuff you can do in here, but just the essentials as far as checking your plan, changing your minutes, updating your plan if you need to, checking your call history, and getting support if you have a problem with your account. I have had the chance to use their support on one occasion, and they were extremely helpful. I did it on the chat through their website, but I believe you can do that here as well through your app. They were very helpful. They had me with my problem fixed within a few minutes. So very helpful chat support rep. So that is the Samsung Galaxy S9 from Gen Mobile. Service on Sprint, and plans anywhere from $5 a month all the way up to $25 a month with 3 gigabytes of data. Definitely a very affordable and good provider to try out if you're looking for a low-cost provider. And the customer service is great. I've already used them a couple times and they have been awesome, so check them out.